Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to curl a bob blunt haircut. This is something that I've been struggling with. I've had my hair this short before, and even when I had it this short before, I could never really find a way to curl my hair in a way that I thought looked good, but I curled my hair like this the other day, and I genuinely feel like I have kind of gotten the secret to, I think, the way I really like it to look. So as sad as it sounds, one of the biggest issues I've had with this haircut is my hair is really healthy now. Before my hair was so dead, I could literally get away with just like not using hairspray because my hair was so dead that it would just like hold the curl. My hair is healthy and I have these like really great non-split ends. I've actually found that to be an issue when I'm curling my hair. First step, I think, to curling your hair, either when you've just gotten it in a blunt cut, no matter what length, or in a bob, is you need it to be kind of dirty. For the sake of this tutorial, I washed my hair last night, so I feel like it's not really that dirty, but I mean, I didn't just wash it and blow dry it. Either way, I have found that you need a texture spray. A texture spray is just gonna add texture to your hair, because when you have these amazing new ends, your curl is just not gonna hold. So I am using this Moroccanoil dry texture spray. I love this stuff. Really just adds some grit to your hair. I don't know how it works, but it works, and it just makes your curl stay. Spray this all over. You wanna get under there. So you can even see, like, when I go like that, it helps it stay. And it's not like a hairspray because it doesn't make your hair hard. It just kind of makes it feel a little bit, makes it kind of feel more gritty. And now to get into the actual curling of the bob. So I found that you need to section it off because your bob is so thick. It's one chunk, one cut, at least mine is, and that's, I feel like, how most bob haircuts are. You need to section it off. So if you don't curl this layer, like, you're gonna see that it's straight even if you just curl the top layer. So that's why I'm curling all layers. I am using a wand, which I know seems like it wouldn't work for short hair, but I have found that the wand gets that look that doesn't make me look like Shirley Temple. You know, like with the curls are all just like, I want that. I don't want it. I just want a loose, wavy kind of look. The reason that I like the wand is because you can go like this and you can leave the end out. And I feel like that is really the secret here, is you need to leave the ends out. See, then you just have this kind of nice little waved piece. You wanna do that a couple more times. I found if you can alternate directions too, that really adds to just a nice textured look. So instead of going back, you just wanna wrap around the front. Very, very back of your hair. I don't know about y'all, but my bob is like, it's literally this long. So I just don't even touch that. For these under layers, like, you're not really doing a curl. It's just more of kind of like a bend. I'm gonna do another layer. I think I could just do the whole top layer, but I wanna cover all the bases here. Right, I moved on to the last section here. It can kind of be a middle part. It can be whatever part you want. I found that when I curl my hair, I just kind of flip it around all day, and sometimes in the middle, sometimes it's on the side, sometimes it's on the other side. Yeah, just kind of doing the same thing where you're just wrapping around and making sure you're leaving the ends out. I will say these front pieces are pretty important, and you wanna make sure that you do them a certain way. So I'm gonna leave that out while I do this other side. Why do I look like Meg Ryan? I've got, you know, my whole head curled now. And the reason that I wanted to focus on these two front pieces is because they really do need to be going the same direction. I think it's just really important to get these curls super defined, because if you end up putting your hair half up or like space buns or like tucking it behind your ear or anything, like you want these pieces to feel really defined. Okay, so this is the final look. I always like to just like tuck kind of one side behind my ear and then just have that little piece out. And this will calm down too, like it's really volume right now, but like as the day goes on, the curls will kind of relax. But when I say that I like to flip it around and stuff, like, you know, sometimes I'll pull one of those moves and I'll tuck on this side. Or I also love to do something like have a middle part. And then I'll do like, you know, I'll pin this back on this side and then I'll pin it back on that side. So it's that kind of look. Overall, I think just having some texture to a bob is hard to do and have it not look super, super curly. And I think that this is the way to do it. And I was super excited when I finally nailed it. So that's how you curl a bob, folks. That's how you do it. Just get some texture in there for a nice mix it up. You don't always want to have your hair straight in a bob. At least I don't anyways. Like I got kind of tired of it. I'm like, I need to mix it up somehow. So this is a great solution. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps you on your bob journey, and we'll see you next time.